So today we're going to work on groups of 5. We're working Module 5 today. It is page 99. So we're starting right here. Find groups of 5. So let's take a look, and we're going to count groups that are here. So let's see. Let's start with the children. Let's count how many children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 children. Cool. But how many are on the ground? Let's count how many children are on the ground. 1, 2, 3. 3 children are on the ground. Count how many children are in the tree house. Good job. 2. 1, 2. Now, we're going to start with our blocks too. So get your blocks if you have them. We are going to put a block on each child. Sometimes we lose track of what we have counted and what we have not counted. So we're going to use blocks to help us out. So I'm going to count the blocks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 5 children altogether. 2 children were in the tree. 3 children are on the ground. So 2 and 3 is 5. Good. Let's take a look at some other items here. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 blue flowers. I see more flowers. Do you see more? I do. So we're going to count the orange flowers over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 orange flowers. Excellent job. Let's count the books. Books. 1, 2, 3. There's another one. 4 and another one. 5. So there are 5 altogether. How many books are open? Good job. 3 are open. How many books are closed? 2. Very good. Now we're going to circle to show a group of 5 objects. I'm going to circle the blue flowers because the blue flowers are all in one group, and that will be easiest for me to circle. So let me circle my group of 5 flowers. Look at that. Did you circle a group of 5? Good job. Now let's turn the page. Oh, let me just open this book all the way up. It'll be easier for me. So, now we're going to look at this group. We are going to take a look at the soccer balls, and we're going to count the soccer balls and write how many. Do you remember how to write your numbers? I hope. So let's go ahead and count soccer balls. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's remember how to make a 5. We're going to start on the top line, make a straight line down to the middle line and stop, and then go around in the bottom space and put a hat on top. That's our 5. Let's try to count the next group. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so that makes 4. Let's count the next group. Look, we have 2 on top now and 3 on the bottom. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? That's a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and make my 5. Top line down to the middle, a big round bubble in the bottom, and a hat on top. Now we're going to count ways to make 4 and 5. So we have some red counters and some yellow counters. Let's count the red counters first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't count these because that is our key. So next to the key that has the red dot, we're going to count the red counters again. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 red. So let's put a 4 by the red counter. Ready? Straight line down to the bottom. Start on the top, go to the middle, and trace the middle line. Now let's try the next one. Let's count the yellow counters. How many? That's correct. 1, and that's an easy one to make. It's just a straight line down top to bottom, stop. Down here we have to learn how to write our numbers in order. So when we count, that means they are in the correct counting order. So let's go ahead and start with 0. What comes after 0? 0, 1, then 2. Let's write a 2. Let's start back at 0. Let's count again and see what comes next. 0, 1, 2, yes, 3. So let's go ahead and make a 3. Let's start back at the beginning again. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3. Good job. 4. So let's write a 4. Let's start at the beginning again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 5. So let's go ahead. Top to middle, bring it around, and a hat on top. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, we're going to turn our page. So we're going over to this one. Let's take a look at this one. We have some children. We have animals. A lot of different kinds of animals, don't we? So let's count the children. I'm going to use my blocks on top of these children so I don't lose count. Ready? Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children. That's awesome. Let's take those blocks off. Let's see how many squirrels there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see 4 squirrels? Oh, wait. What if this little guy will come up and join them on the branch? So if we have 4 of them and 1 comes to join them, how many would we have? Yes, we would have 5. So we'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's count the birds. Let's count red birds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now let's count the blue birds. Ready? 1, 2. So we have 3 red birds and then 2 blue birds. 1, 2, 3 red birds, 1, 2 blue birds. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 altogether. Let's count the dogs. Let's see how many dogs have a ball. Just 1. Let's see how many other dogs want to join in playing with a ball. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 dog with a ball, 4 dogs that want to play with that ball. How many dogs are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you guys are so smart. Good job. How did you know there were 5 dogs? Because we started counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the last number we say, which was 5, tells how many there are. Let's count the children and listen for that last number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know there's 5 because we ended on 5. Let's count the red birds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We know there are 3 red birds because we ended on the number 3. Let's count the squirrels in the tree, not on the tree. This one's, he's not up on top. Let's count the squirrels on the branch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4, because that's the last number we said. Good job. Let's turn the page. So let's take a look at the top picture. How can you act out an addition problem to match the picture? Write the numbers that represent the children in each group. So let's think about that. How many children are there on the carpet? That's right, there are 3 children on the carpet. How many children are walking over to the carpet? Very good. There is 1 coming to the carpet. So let's go ahead and write those numbers. How many were on the carpet? Good, 3. Write that number. How many are coming to join them? Exactly, 1 is coming to join them. Now listen to the problem here. We're going to try to draw something ourselves. This is an addition problem. Addition means whenever there's one group and then somebody else comes to join them, just like this. So there are 3 and there's 1 more coming to join, so that means we have to add 1, okay? So let's listen to the story here. We have to think about how many ducks are in each group. 1 duck is in the pond. So let's draw 1 duck in the pond. So this will be my first group. I'm just going to draw a circle for a duck. I don't know how to draw a duck, so we're drawing a circle. Now listen to the next one. 4 more come to join him. 4 more, so we're writing 1, 2, 3, 4 more. How many are in this group? 1. How many are in this group? 4. Good job. So there are 4. There's 1 duck in the pond. 4 more come to join them. How many would we have all together? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, boys and girls. So let's listen to the next one. Let's put that page on the refrigerator. And we're going to go to the next page right here. Now you have to listen to another story, don't you? So this is going to be our pond here, and there is one fish swimming. So let's draw one fish. Oh, we can write a 1 because that's one fish that's swimming. 2 more come to join him. So let's make our 2 over here. How many? 2. And if you count them all together, how many are swimming now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Because we added 2. We had 2 more join the group. So let's write our number 3. That's how many there are now. So let's take a look at the bottom picture. You ready? How many bees are on the flower? How many bees are flying around? There are 2 here, so write a 2. How many are on the flower? Good, 2 are on the flower. And if you counted them all together, how many are there all together? Very good, 4. Excellent job. Let's turn the page. This is our last page for today in this book. Then we'll have to get out our practice book. So you have to be a good listener this time. Let's see if you can do this one. Listen to the addition word problem. Act out and draw a quick picture to represent the problem. Write the number in each group. Write the total. One child is looking at a book of poems in the reading corner. So this is our reading corner. How many children were reading in the reading corner? Just 1. Good. So draw your one person. We're just doing quick pictures and write a 1. Two more children want to come and read in the reading corner. So let's draw our 2 other children and write our number 2. So that's 1 and 2 is how many children are in the reading corner now? Let's count them. Ready? How many? Excellent. 3. Write that number. Good job. Now, if you needed a lot of help with this one, this is the first time we did this kind of thing, so I think I'm going to make a star. I'm going to color the star. I needed help. If you could do it all by yourself, you can color the check mark. I'm pretty sure we all probably needed help, but maybe not. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put this book away. You can put that paper on your refrigerator also. And get out the book with the letter P on it, the practice book. And we're going to open to the first page. All right, let's count how many bunnies are in the first group. How many was that? 4. Let's write that. How many are coming to join them? Let's write 1 on the next line. And then the last line, when it says is, 4 and 1 is 4 of them. 1 come to join them. How many now? 5. Good job. Let's listen to the story now. 2 children are sitting on the rug. 2 children are on this rug. And write a number 2. 1 more comes to join them. Do you remember what we have to do? 1 more comes to join them. So we draw 1 more. and write a 1. So there were 2 children, and 1 comes to join them. Is how many now? 3. Good job. Excellent. Turn your page. If at any time you need to pause this video or rewind it, you may. Let's turn the page to the next one. Okay, so we have to count how many children are there all together. Ready? If this is the correct number, fill in that circle. If this one is, or this one, fill in the circle under the correct answer. I don't know if you can see with my shine, but you have your practice book, so there you go. There's the correct answer. There were 4. We counted 4. Down here, we have to circle the group that shows 2 turtles. Very good, boys and girls. You are awesome. Have a great afternoon and keep practicing your math skills. See how many addition problems you can make up while you're eating. Maybe you're eating some green beans. And if you have 5 green beans and you eat 1, how many are left? Maybe your mommy gives you 2 more. And count how many there are. Excellent job. Bye, boys and girls. See you later.